So in this video, I'm going to show an example of how to use the traffic light tool. So if I'm a user here who needs to do maintenance on a wind turbine offshore, I can use this traffic light tool to set the parameters that I know that I need to meet in order for it to be safe for me to do that maintenance. So if I create a layer, and let's say I care about wave height and wind speed. So I can go ahead and select wave height at Atlantic GFS. And then as a second layer, I'm going to select global GFS winds. So I know in order to do maintenance on the turbine, I need the wave height to be less than, let's say less than 2.25 meters. And then anything between 1.75 and 2.25 is in that cautious area. And then for wind, let's say the hub height of that turbine is at 40 meters, so I can set the elevation to 40. And I need wind speed to be less than 20 meters per second. And anything between 15 and 20 meters is in that cautious area. So if I set up this traffic light layer and plot it on the map, we can see what areas meet the rules that I set here and what areas fall within that red no-go area. So if the user cares about a specific location, they can either turn on this activate hover tooltip tool and hover over it, and it will show you what data is causing this color, whether it's the wave height or the 3D wind. Or the user can just click on that point and plot the data along a time series plot here on the bottom. And once this data loads in, it will show the user. So at this particular location, we can see that between this point here, August 29th at 2 a.m. and August 30th at 11 a.m., we have this green section, so that would have been clear to work on. Then we had this cautious area, maybe they want to go out, maybe they will decide not to. And then this red area, that time frame, definitely do not want to go out. And then we can see in the future, we have this other green section here where it would be safe to work on that wind turbine.